Hey you guys, it's me Rachel, and today I'm back with another wig video for you guys. And today I have this super cute wig from Myfirstwig. So they went ahead and sent me their brand new Irene, which is a black curly 2C to 3A glueless real human hair headband wig. And I'm so excited to show you guys this one because it's not like any of the other ones. This one is upgraded and it's the 2.0. So this one has a Velcro band and it has adjustable drawstrings and an air circulation cap. So that's amazing. I will leave all the specs of this wig down below, but it's super easy, you guys, to put this on and you can style it in so many different ways. I'll show you guys three. So the first one is just straight down, which I loved. You just Velcro the wig and it does have that elastic band on it, which is so cool. So it's not going to go anywhere. And I just went ahead and used mousse and just kind of relaxed the curls a little bit because they are kind of tight. And I just kind of shaped them to how I wanted them to look. But yeah, I went with this down style first and it was so cute, y'all. So I'll let you guys see me do this one and then I'll show you guys my second style. A little bit more about this wig while I do this style. So the texture that I got, like I mentioned, is poppin' curls. And this one's actually the 20-inch period. And then the hair origin is the Indian hair. I know they have Malaysian and Indian. It says that this one has a 10 to 15 month lifespan under great care. And then the hair color is a 1B off black. My hair is black again now, so it matched perfectly. And then the average cap size and the cap construction is the new Breathable Headband Wig 2.0. So I loved all the specs on this wig. I love the color of it. And I just think that the curls on it were beautiful. It was the perfect density and all of that. So next, I'll show you guys the second style that I did, and I just did a quick half up, half down. You guys can see it literally took me 2 seconds to do. And then for my last style, I just did a bun on the top of my head, which was also really easy to do. So if you guys are looking for something flexible, easy, I love the new 2.0 version of this headband wig with the band in it, and then the Velcro is just perfect. So if you guys are interested in it, I'll be sure to leave all my specs down below, and I will be sure to leave links to everything. And if you guys enjoy, be sure to give me a huge thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.